Continuing with the series of our English idioms, we have come with a bunch of idioms with the alphabets I, N, J. Our first idiom is in a nutshell.
इन अ नटशेल ईडियम का दोस्तों मतलब होता है संक्षिप्त में या फिर दो शब्दों में किसी भी बात को बयां करना अपना. लेट्स हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस ईडियम नाउ.
The meaning of this idiom is to say something briefly, to say something in very small words rather in short sentences. In nutshell, when I say in a nutshell, the size of the nut is very, very small. Even the large nut is also very small in size, so too much cannot be written and kept in a shell. Even if we write with the smallest possible handwriting or type it with the smallest font. So let's hear a sentence on this idiom.
So friends, if you want to use this idiom in a sentence, we can use it like, please tell me the review of the presentation in a nutshell.
Idiom is in the limelight.
इन द लाइमलाइट ईडियम का दोस्तों मतलब होता है चर्चा में रहना, चर्चा में बने रहना या फिर सुर्खियों में बने रहना. नाउ लेट्स हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस ईडियम नाउ.
At the center of the attention is the meaning of this idiom. These days, most of the theatres have powerful spotlights which throw the bright beam of light. But in 1840s, when the theatres were very, very popular, there were no spotlights. So what happened that time was they used to throw the beam of light, and this beam of light was through the limestone. Now what is this limestone? It is calcium oxide. They used to burn the calcium oxide, heat it such that it would start giving the beam of light. This beam of light was put on the artists, the performers that were presenting on the stage. That could be a magician, a juggler, an actor, anyone who's performing on the stage. Now these days, the person who's on the stage, who's become very popular, who likes to be in the media, we say the person loves to be in the limelight. Let's hear a sentence on this idiom.
So friends, if you want to use this idiom in a sentence, we can use it like, all the superstars enjoy being in the limelight.
Our next idiom is in the nick of time.
So in the nick of time idiom का दोस्तों मतलब होता है समय रहते काम करना. Let's hear the meaning of this idiom now.
At the right time. At the exact right time is the meaning of this idiom. 3 centuries ago, the records were not kept the way it is kept these days. Whenever a record had to be kept, a notch was made on a stick, which was called a tally mark. If you borrowed the money from the merchant, the notch was made on a stick as a tally mark that you have taken the money from the merchant. A team that scored goal just a second before the game got over is said to be a nick of time. The goal scored at nick of the time. So what 3 centuries ago the people would have done? They would have made a notch on a stick as a tally mark to show that the team has scored a goal. Let's hear the sentence on this idiom.
So friends, if you want to use this idiom in a sentence, we can use it like, David saved his work in the nick of time a minute before his computer went off.
Our next idiom is in the same boat.
So in the same boat idiom का दोस्तों मतलब होता है एक ही कश्ती पे सवार होना या फिर एक ही नाव पर सवार होना. Let's hear the meaning of this idiom now.
In the same bad situation is the meaning of this idiom. This idiom was used in ancient Greek. This idiom was used for the people who would sail in the sea. Whether in a wooden boat or a majestic ship or an ocean liner, the risk for all the passengers would be the same. But these days, we use it for the people who are traveling on land, air, and water. So let's hear this sentence on this idiom.
So friends, if we want to use this idiom in a sentence, we can use it like, we all have to fight this situation together as we all are sailing in the same boat.
Next idiom is in the pink.
इन द पिंक ईडीएम का दोस्तों मतलब होता है सेहतमंद होना, तंदुरुस्त होना, शारीरिक और इमोशनली, शारीरिक और मानसिक तरीके से. नाउ लेट्स हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस ईडीएम.
To be happy physically and emotionally, and also healthy. Centuries ago, the pink flower was a very common flower in the garden. Later, this pink color got associated with the perfection. Shakespeare in 1600 used this color to indicate perfection. Now, we say that the person is in pink. That means the person is healthy. So, where did this come from? Maybe the complexion of a person is pink or rosy when the person is very healthy. So, we say that the person is in pink of health. Let's hear a sentence on this idiom.
So friends, if you want to use this idiom in a sentence, we can use it like, I was pleased to see my friend recovered from his injuries and now he is in the pink of health.
We move to our next alphabet, that is J, and we bring its idioms. Our first idiom is Jack of all trades.
So जैक ऑफ ऑल ट्रेड्स ईडीएम का दोस्तों मतलब होता है हर फन मौला, मतलब हर किसी चीज के अंदर मास्टर होना. लेट्स हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस ईडीएम नाउ.
A person who can do many things is called a person with all good traits, Jack of all trades. Right. Now, a worker who can do all kinds of work is said to be a person who is Jack of all the trades. Usually, this term was used for trade laborers. But later, this kept changing for the people who can do all kind of work and are good at it. The full expression or the full idiom is Jack of all trade, but master of none.
Right.
This idiom came into usage in the late 19th century. Before that, it was just Jack of all trades. Let's hear a sentence on this idiom.
So friends, if you want to use this idiom in a sentence, we can use it like, my brother is a jack of all trades and he can fix anything.
Our next idiom is jump off the deep end.
जंप ऑफ द डीप एंड ईडीएम का दोस्तों मतलब होता है भावनाओं में बहकर कोई काम करना या फिर भावनाओं में बह जाना. लेट्स हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस ईडीएम नाउ.
To act emotionally without thinking. The end of the situation. People while swimming should not jump to the deep end before they know the swimming well. They should start from the shallow end and then move towards the deep end. When a person doesn't act without thinking, emotionally the process has been done. Usually people fall into trouble. So let's hear a sentence on this idiom.
So friends, if you want to use this idiom, we can use it like, Geeta and Ramesh just met a month before, but they are getting married. So they are basically jumping off the deep end.
Our next idiom is jump on the bandwagon.
So jump on the bandwagon idiom का दोस्तों मतलब होता है किसी की देखा देखी में आप कुछ काम करें, जिसको बोलते हैं भेड़ चाल के अंदर आना. तो let's hear the meaning of this idiom now.
To get involved in the newest activity because everybody is doing it. Many years ago, the candidates of the political parties would go around on the road sitting on their horse-drawn wagons. They were very popular rides those days. And if people found that their popular candidate was riding, they would jump on the bandwagon. Let's hear a sentence on this idiom.
So friends, if you want to use this idiom in a sentence, we can use it like, last year nobody liked the idea of having an exhibition, in my office, but now everyone is like jumping on the bandwagon.
Our next idiom is jump the gun.
सो जंप द गन दोस्तों, ईडियम का मतलब होता है उतावला होना या फिर बहुत ज्यादा बेसब्र होना। उतावलेपन में काम कर देना या फिर एकदम से बेसब्र होकर कोई काम को आप अंजाम दे देना। लेट्स हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस ईडियम नाउ।
To work hastily, prematurely is the meaning of this idiom. In 1900s, this expression was to beat the pistol. Why did we say to beat the pistol? Because people would start running much before the starting pistol was fired. But later, this idiom got changed into jump the gun. Why it changed? Because it was much easier to say. Jump also has a U alphabet in it and gun too. So let's hear a sentence on this idiom.
So friends, if you want to use this idiom in a sentence, we can use it like, I couldn't wait to give the birthday gift to my brother, so I jumped the gun and gave it to him a week early.
The last idiom of this video is justice is blind.
सो जस्टिस इज ब्लाइंड ईडियम का मतलब होता है दोस्तों कानून अंधा है। तो आपने कई सारी हिंदी मूवीज के अंदर देखा होगा, एक महिला खड़ी रहती है आंखों में काली पट्टी बांध के और उनके साथ हाथ में एक तराजू होता है, तो उसी को हम अपना बोलते हैं जस्टिस इज ब्लाइंड, मतलब कानून अंधा है। लेट्स हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस ईडियम नाउ।
The meaning of this idiom is justice is impartial, it is objective. We all know about the green statue wearing a blindfold. What does it mean? It means that the justice has to be equal, whether it's a friend or a stranger. It cannot be better for a rich because the person is wealthy. It has to be equal for both rich and poor. Let's hear a sentence on this idiom.
So friends, if you want to use this idiom in a sentence, we can use it like, no matter what or no matter who you are, law is equal to everyone, so you can say justice is blind.
If you like our video, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel.
So friends, बने रहिए हमारे चैनल के साथ और मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, जिसमें हम अपना बात करेंगे इंग्लिश इडियम्स जो कि स्टार्ट होते हैं अल्फाबेट के एंड एल से। तो तब तक के लिए ध्यान रखिए अपना, खुश रहिए। जय हिंद।
Jai Hind.